Hello and welcome to the C Group Podcast. But before we begin, we have to say hello to our amazing producer, Marcus. Hello, Marcus! Woo!
Wait a minute.
Are you good?
Gotta do it again.
Oh, you're gonna, okay.
Hey, Marcus.
That's our stand-in, Marcus. Okay. We are here at the beautiful Glenwood Lynwood Library, and we have a very special guest. Albert, would you like to do the honors?
Who's that? Oh, I'm sorry. Our guest, Jesus Dorantes. Is that right?
That's perfect.
Okay. Hey, muy bien. And he's going to talk to us today about composting because he knows about this personally. They told me not to say a septic tank to the compost.
Oh.
Hey, it's close.
Close.
Anyway.
It is close. So composting. We just revamped our green efforts for the composting program here.
Cool.
As you see behind you, we have in front of you, we have the community garden. So it's kind of working in together with that. So compost is great for the health of the plants. So it's just decomposed. It's in the name. It's compost. It's decomposed organic material. So it introduces great vitamins, minerals, and everything into the plants. And it's very easy. You can be doing it at home. It's super simple. You just need 3 things. So cardboard, food or plant scraps, and then you can even use your manure. Like you said, manure from rabbits or hamsters are best. Yep. So hamsters are used. And just put that all in one big pile. Keep it away from public view.
Yeah, I heard.
Because it will be stinky. Just enclose it, keep it open. Take a look at it every 1 or 2 weeks, and you'll have fresh fertilizer.
Well, Jesus, all I can say is after seeing this, I never realized it was made like this. I always thought it was contained, and I didn't realize. Is this right on the ground?
Yeah, this is right on the ground. It's easy as can be.
What about my worms?
You could do worm composting. That's a different process.
Okay.
It can speed up the process since they eat and poop at the same time.
Because they aerate it and all that.
Oh, that's what it was.
So this, it's aerated. It's out in the open. It will decompose. It just takes time. Yeah.
Okay.
Norman, you gonna start your compost?
Well, up until this time, I really didn't know what a compost was.
Oh, that makes sense.
Well, actually, I saw it on TV, I think.
You saw it on TV? Okay.
Yeah. And I was thinking, ew.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
Because,
Good term.
it's talking about having feces.
Yeah.
And the idea of eating something feces-able.
Well, it's not your feces.
Doesn't matter. Somebody's feces.
It's animal. Is that people feces?
Okay, so when you take your dog out for a walk and he goes and he makes a dump, you go over there and say, "Oh, let me take this and put it in the pot." Huh? No,
That's right.
So you have to understand what all of that's about.
Yeah.
Because like all I see is little mounds of poop down there, and somebody scoops it up or takes it up and then puts it in the pot.
Yeah.
Only Norman.
So it depends on the animal. So it's based on their diet. So human, dog feces, cat feces, no. We eat processed food. It's not going to be organic. It's not going to break down as well. So that's why sheep, cows, hamsters, gerbils, stuff like that, they have a more organic diet. So that's why their feces is allowed to be used.
Oh, cool.
So So it's all manageable. We've done patio composting. We do bucket, or we've done in the past, not here at the library, but just personally, I've done bucket pickups.
Okay.
It's simple.
Cool.
So hopefully we can get that started. We have a lot of ideas to make it as easy and accessible to everyone to compost, because it is the best way to be green. Reduce your waste. You see what you're throwing away, so it reduces your own. Saves on the grocery bill,
Can I use my grass clippings and throw it in there?
You can use your grass clippings. What boggles my mind is when people rake their leaves.
Yeah, I hate that.
You can use your leaves.
Yeah,
It decomposes. There's no reason to rake your leaves.
Oh, sure. You told me now after I loaded up 4 bags of them, like garbage bags.
Yep.
And
you can do that and just dump it up here.
And see, everybody thought I was being lazy and cheap when I used to do all my grass clippings and hedge everything.
Nope.
And they told me, Albert, you just cheap. I said, no, it's good for the environment.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
See?
Yeah.
You showed them.
Thank you. I got proof now. It's
Keep your
okay.
eggshells, leave your cracked eggshells
Eggshells?
on the plants. Yep. It
Okay.
has a bunch of vitamins, minerals. So
wow.
a lot can be reused. That's why reuse is the first, and reuse, reduce, recycle.
Right.
That's the steps you want to do it in. Reuse, reduce your consumption, and recycle is the last one you want to do.
So the 3 R's.
The 3 R's.
Right.
Always
Okay.
the 3 R's.
Remember that. 3 R's.
Yeah.
3 R's.
I have a question.
What's your question?
Do you have to clean it out or do any type of clean up with it?
So basic maintenance. Rotate it. Grab a rake. Rotate it once, twice a week.
Okay.
Oh.
Just keep an eye on it. It's very low maintenance. You just want to make sure that it's getting aerated, it's getting everything's getting cycled through. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, you can use your hands, you can use a rake, you can use a big
dirt on it?
Sorry?
Can you put extra dirt on it? or
Extra
not?
dirt? Okay.
You
Not
could. It's just up to you, you know? Yeah.
Okay.
Aerate.
So
There
when
is.
it gets to a point where I guess it's finished,
Yep.
you take it out, you wash it, or you don't have to
Wash it?
Watch the dirt.
Wouldn't that defeat?
I don't know, because again, to
That's a
me,
good question. You wash it?
it's poop.
Yeah. No.
So-
Once it's decomposed, you can just use it for topping off your plants. You can start a new garden bed. You can
Okay.
use it as you like.
So how long does it take to decompose on average?
On average, I would say 3 months. 3 months
months.
for a decent size, bin.
Okay.
3 months probably is a good amount of time to use.
3 months.
But yeah, it just depends on the sizing and how much the differentiating matters you put into it. So it does need
Okay.
green matter, it does need brown matter, so recycled cardboard. Newspapers, if you ever get newspapers, it uses recyclable ink. It decomposes, so it
You
doesn't
can do that
affect-
too?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, I
Who
didn't
knew?
realize that.
That is awesome.
Learning something really good, interesting.
So leaves in the fall, those are used as the browns.
I do that.
So the browns, and then the greens are, your grass clippings, your leaves, stuff like that, fruit
Okay.
scraps, banana peels, orange peels,
Okay.
mango peels, anything of that sort.
It sounds like
Does it require like a certain amount of sunlight?
No. Well, it does. You want to leave it open outside. It'll get water through the rain, and put some water every now and then if there is kind of a drought.
Okay.
It does need some, help.
Okay.
But for the most part, you can just leave it as be. So yeah.
now with the compost, I noticed this doesn't have any open at the bottom. Do you take it from the bottom or just rotate it?
Just rotate it and take it from the top.
Oh, cool.
See?
I like that one. I'm gonna make me a little one like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, I like that. That'll
Yeah.
help me out.
It'll be less grass I have to cut right there in the corner.
Oh, I see your mind.
I think I'm going to have to see a shrink first. Hypnotize me so that it's okay to eat poop.
But
It's not
but wait a minute. But technically, aren't you doing that anyway? When
I
you're
didn't know
eating
about it until
veggies?
today, Now he educated me. So it's like, now I know that this salad is composed of some things poop.
It is clean. It's not like they're just taking it
I didn't see him
out of
clean
the
it.
ground. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. I'm done.
Only Norman. Only Norman.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna close this off
Quick.
with that. We're gonna be done with that. So thank you for joining
You're
us. Would you
welcome.
like to
Thank you,
round it up? Yeah.
And happy poop
Thank
to
you,
you.
Jesus.
Happy poop to everyone.
Well, that's all from us from the Seed Group Podcast. Thank you for joining us. And as always, quite literally,
Right.
plant a seed or use your compost and watch it grow. Bye-bye.
You're going to have to change that to plant a poop and watch it grow.